Imagine pulling into your hotel and this is what greets you at the front door. That's exactly what happened to us at the Hampton Inn in Springdale, Utah, which is located right outside of Zion Park. It makes it the perfect place for you to stay and wait until you see this pool. Before I show you all the amenities and the room, let me tell you a little bit about Springdale. This place is such a cute little quaint hippie kind of town. It's surrounded by mountains and it has such like a backpacker outdoor wilderness vibe to it, but it's also got that classy side. Like you're gonna see some really fun houses out in this area. This Hampton Inn by Hilton is going to show up as the Zion National Park location, and you can see just how close to the park you are. They've got some electronic carports, they've got outdoor patios, and everywhere you look in this hotel is just surrounded by these amazing views. It was actually really cool because we had gotten here at night, so we had no idea what exactly we had stumbled upon, but we were so happy to wake up to all of this. Another really cool thing about this location is there's a shuttle that takes you right into Zion National Park, right across the street here from the hotel, and it's on the hotel side of the street, so it's really easy to just wake up and head over to Zion National Park. Now let's take a look inside of the hotel itself. As you enter into the lobby, it's got these really fun things on the floor that greet you, and this seems to be like their go-to phrase. Making you happy makes us happy. You'll see this kind of scattered throughout the whole hotel. When we had first gotten there, it was nighttime, so this here is actually cool towels. So that was really nice to kind of cool off as we were checking in, kind of wipe our face down, and take all the cool decorations in as we were getting ready to head over to our room. They offer a complimentary breakfast here, so you'll be able to take in even more decorations as you head over to where the breakfast area is. It's this big open hall with this big elaborate candelabra and stuff like that. They've got a bunch of different trail snacks for you to take with you, as well as a really intense breakfast. So we definitely filled up and we were ready to take on the day by the time we left. I also like that they greet you with flavored waters. I think that's a nice little classy touch. And I'll just walk you through what they have available for breakfast so you have an idea of what you're going to get. You have the choice to either sit inside or they have a back patio which overlooks the pool. So you can either sit outside with the mountains or stay in the air conditioning. But make sure you bring your swim trunks and swimsuits because this pool is totally worth taking a dip in, especially in that 120-degree weather of Arizona. They have like a little shallow shelf area over here. Then they have shallow water as well as a deep end. They've also got a hot tub over here. And they also have a fire pit available. I mean, how much better does it get? I'll show you some of the other amenities later, but for now, let's head over to the rooms and check those out. The hallways are very like Western aesthetic, and each room number has a little photo on it of the area. And as I said before, you'll see these little glimpses of happiness everywhere you go. This Hampton Inn is 2 floors. They do have an elevator as well as a staircase. And as you make your way to your room, you're going to see all kinds of things that are going to catch your eye. When we entered the room, we were surprised to see this welcome letter from the staff. I thought this was such a really cool touch. Also, we got there, as usual, like 1 a.m. on this trip, so we were super tired. So that was like a little nice ray of sunshine to help us fall asleep. They gave us a whole itinerary of everything going on, all the local things going on. They let us know what time breakfast is. And when you see this, you're just going to be like, I had no idea there's this much things going on in this little town next to Zion National Park. On top of the desk, you also have a coffee maker. There's coffee, tea. It's a Keurig. You've got an ice bucket, a little lamp over here, and then you've got a mirror. The TV stand has a bunch of stuff with it also, but the desk area is pretty basic. They've got a nice comfy chair there too. You've got a decent sized refrigerator, plenty of space in there. You can fit a pizza box in there. There's a microwave. And our room was a double queen non-smoking room. These beds were one of the most comfortable beds we had slept in on our whole time out in Zion Park. So I definitely really recommend this place. Their beds are super comfortable. They give you 4 really fluffy pillows. They're pretty soft too, and it's a pretty thick comforter, so if you need to blast that AC after a hot day, these blankets will keep you warm under the air conditioning. Our air conditioning was also really quiet, and it's controlled by the wall, so you have an air conditioning unit on the wall there. And then this blind goes up and down, but they also have a blackout curtain too if you need it. But those are the only 2 blinds. You don't have a sheer blind here. Moving over to the other side of the room, you have a closet and bathroom over here. The closet door is a full-length mirror and it just opens outwards. You got your suitcase stand, there's iron, there's ironing board, there's hangers, and the hangers do come off the hook. Now let's check out the bathroom. This was so cute, guys. I love that little thing above the toilet. They've got a tiny hair dryer. They've got plenty of towels. They've got a tub if you need to soak your legs after a long day of hiking. They have shampoo and conditioner in the shower, and then they have bars of soap. And they also have body lotion there on the wall. Most of the room is carpeted, but there is tile in the hallway and in the bathroom. And for safety on the door, they have one of those half latch things, and then they also have a deadbolt on the door too, deadbolt lock. Our double queen room was on the first floor, so here's a view out our window. It was the parking lot, but you do get to see the mountains and everything, so that was really cool. And for those of you that want to know, we were in room 106. It was towards the back of the hotel, but we had our own exit right over here, so it was really easy to get stuff in and out of the car. Now let's talk some more about like the gym and stuff. So on your way down to the gym, you'll see bathrooms over here. They've got a business center, conference center. The pool, of course, you saw already. Here is the gym. I'll give you a quick tour. They've got all your basics that you really need. They also have a scale in here in case you need to weigh your luggage. They also have some water in here, some towels. It's a pretty decent sized gym, honestly. They also have a little quick shop over here for anything you may have forgotten or if you want a late night snack. The business center is pretty small, but it does the job. And then moving down the hallway, I'll go ahead and show you the guest laundry. It is quarter operated, and there are 3 of each machine. I also stayed over on the Kanab side of Zion National Park, so make sure you check that one out next. Otherwise, I've got tons of videos talking about my adventures over here in Zion and down in the Great Basin. Make sure you hit that subscribe because I've got tons more videos coming, like tips on specific destinations as well as other road trips you could take outside of Las Vegas. So I'll see you in the next video.